Greetings everyone, and welcome to a comprehensive walkthrough of Scrybe Quill, a powerful tool for tabletop RPG players and GMs that automates your session notes and creates immersive, narrated recaps. Whether you're playing Dungeons & Dragons, Daggerheart, Call of Cthulhu, or a homebrew system, Scrybe Quill has you covered. In this video, we'll walk through every step of using Scrybe Quill, from recording your session to generating your final narrated recap. Alright, let's dive into creating a recap. First, you need a recording of your game. It's simpler than you think. For in-person games, your phone's microphone works great. Just place it on the table and hit record using any app of your choosing. For online games, you can use OBS to record your desktop sounds, or, if you play on Discord, CraigBot is an excellent free tool that can record your voice chat. You can find a separate video on exactly how to set up CraigBot in the description. You may be wondering, what if somebody goes off on a 10-minute rant about how their dice are cursed, or perhaps a pizza delivery arrives mid-session? Well, rest assured, the system is designed to intelligently focus solely on the session-relevant contents, so off-topic chatter, background music, or other noise is no problem. Once you have your file, head to scrybequill.com, click the New Recap button, and drag and drop your recording here. Most common audio file types are supported, with a max file size of 1.5 gigabytes and a maximum length of 8 hours, plenty for even the longest sessions. Next, give your recap a name. This will appear on the final recap video. Now for the fun part, choosing your recap narrator and background music. You can preview them by clicking the play buttons next to each option.
Last session, you orchestrated a delicate truce between...
While previewing music, you can use the Skip Forward 30 Seconds button to jump ahead and find the right choice quickly. Once you're set, you are ready to hit Submit. For those who want more control, check out the Advanced options first. Here, you can set the recording's language. Make sure to select multilingual under the language option if your session recording is in a language other than English. Scrybe Quill supports 29 languages, and the output recap will match the language of your original recording. You can view all of the supported languages on the FAQ page. Next, under the Model option, choose a different processing model for a different writing style. Gemini 2.5 Pro is slightly more accurate and to the point, while OpenAI's O3 model delivers a more creative and narrative-driven style. Under Recap Perspective, you can switch between second-person and third-person tense depending on if you want the recap to refer to the players directly as you or simply as the party. If you so wish, you can completely skip the manual review and editing step before the audio and video recaps are generated by unchecking this box. After you submit and your file is uploaded, you'll automatically be redirected to the My Recaps page, where you can view all of your recaps. It typically takes 5 minutes for your text recap and notes to be ready. When it's done, you'll find an incredibly detailed text recap waiting for you. You get both a long-form and short-form recap. Moreover, Scrybe Quill pulls the most memorable quotes from the session, provides a point-by-point outline of events, and even automatically catalogs the NPCs, items, and locations that were mentioned. It's a massive time saver for GMs. The generated text is often great as is, but you are free to manually edit everything by typing directly into the text recap box, or by clicking the pencil tool next to each section. There's also a powerful Find and Replace tool, which is perfect for correcting any misspelled names across the whole contents. If you have a sudden change of mind, you also have a chance to change your selected narrator or background music choice before proceeding to the audio and video recaps. When you're happy with the text, click the Continue Generation button. The audio and video recaps will be ready in approximately 5 more minutes. All right, it's ready. Download the text, audio or video recap by clicking the respective download buttons. For text, you can download it as a text file or simply copy it to your clipboard. For audio, you can download the narrated recap with the background music or just the isolated narration. The video file size is optimized to fit within Discord's 10 megabyte upload limit. Let's jump back to the My Recaps page for a moment. All of your past sessions are neatly organized here, and the page is fully searchable. Be sure to explore the filter options too. If you toggle showing narrator and music details, the search will now find recaps with matching narrator and music too. One setting you should most certainly make use of is the spelling correction list. Add tricky character names, locations, or other custom terms, and Scrybe Quill will automatically use the correct spelling in future recaps. For more music and narrators, check out the shop. The Sci-Fi Essentials music pack is completely free, so be sure to grab it if you play any sci-fi TTRPGs. Scrybe Quill has partnered with some amazing composers to offer the other packs. 50% of all sales are split with them, so you're directly supporting creatives by buying their packs. For narrators, you can unlock more by purchasing narrator credits. They come in a pack of 3, which can each be redeemed to unlock a new voice. Once unlocked, these new music and narrator options permanently appear as options when submitting a recording. Scrybe Quill is passionate about giving credit where it's due. On the dedicated music credit page, you can find the name of every composer and full license info for their tracks. You can even copy the attribution to your clipboard. It's natural to wonder about the privacy of your recordings. Scrybe Quill takes your security very seriously. Your original recordings are permanently deleted as soon as the transcription is ready. All your data is encrypted, and the platform is built using trusted high-quality third-party services to power its features. And just to be clear, absolutely no art or music on the site is AI-generated. And that's Scrybe Quill, an amazing tool to help kick off your next session where you left off. Head to scribequill.com to create an account and generate your first recap completely free. The link is in the description below.